KebG weather overview, getting into the fall feel. We're only about 7 days away now. And when you look at tonight's temperatures, which I'll show you in a second, you're really going to need that sweatshirt or a light jacket tonight. It's getting to be that time of year where we slowly transition into the fall. We're right around where we should be this time of year if you look at the almanac for New York City. For the average high is around 77, and we should be looking at highs just about that for today. A very nice, delightful, pleasant day on tap, underway really, across the tri-state area. Now for tonight's temperatures, it's going to get a bit chilly around here. If we look at the expected low temperatures, 55 in and around the city, but 30s and 40s in the outlying suburbs. So definitely have that jacket if you're going out tonight. And even tomorrow night, you know, it perks up a little bit around the five boroughs with lows around 65, but you go just outside the city anywhere, and you're looking at upper 50s and well north and west. Yeah, that's 40s on the map. So definitely think about the sweatshirt for the next couple of nights, and then we'll slowly warm it up. And by the time we get to Sunday, we'll be breaking out the shorts again, but not the raincoat. If you're expecting rain over the next 7 days, chances are you will be disappointed. If you like nice weather, though, you will not be disappointed as we look at the latest run of the GFS model off of the Tropical Tidbit site. And you can see the high pressure right over New England for Friday morning. That's a 1025 high. That's why it's, you know, temperatures are really going to come down tonight. Coolest that they've been in months. And that high sort of stays stubborn through the weekend, but now it's off the coast by Sunday. So now what happens is you get a return flow out of the west-southwest and you warm it up. And that's why Sunday could be a beach day. Never mind the time of year. We could be looking at mid and upper 80s for highs. In fact, I think we'll get there. And then this weak front tries to push in for early in the week, but it really doesn't do much. I mean, it's not going to cool down the air mass to the point where you're really going to notice that much of a difference. If we look at the old run of the GFS, here it is. This is by Monday morning. You can see the front is still north of the area. Then it pushes through Monday night into Tuesday morning with some, you know, maybe some scattered showers. I think we get probably less than 1/10 of an inch of rain out of that. Now, the weather model tries to hold on to the front, particularly for eastern areas for Tuesday. So maybe some leftover showers, but then that finally pushes off by Wednesday and a new high fills in. And this is a pretty good high in terms of keeping the frontal passages away and keeping our weather very pleasant. And you can see that the model wants to develop and maintain what is now Tropical Storm Fiona. And you can see that on the weather map Friday morning, and this is the Friday morning weather map for September 23rd, you can see that the GFS model has a healthy hurricane east of the Carolina coast. Now, this is all very speculative. We don't really know what's going to happen with Tropical Storm Fiona, and a lot can change between now and then. So, you know, just kind of noticing it on the weather model is, you know, definitely want to point it out to you, but I mean, it's a long way off, so I wouldn't really get too hot and bothered about it, and chances are it'll probably be pushed out to sea. But again, we'll just have to wait. Now, the high temperature today, right around where they should be this time of year. Friday, a high of 77 after a very cool start. Saturday, we bump it up to 81. And then Sunday is a warm, humid day. Definitely make a run for the beach if you can. And then Monday, highs around 83 with maybe a few late showers. And then Tuesday, you know, highs still around 83. You see, there's really not much of an air mass change behind that weak cold front that moves through on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, basically the same, highs around 82. The further south you go, highs stay generally in the mid 80s. So we're moving towards fall. There are signs in the air that fall is just around the corner, but we have some built-in nice summer days in between. So definitely back and forth, but very pleasant nonetheless. Not a lot of rain to speak of, if at all, through the next 7 days.